Nalobangai nakosela fally makambute.
With none other but the unbelievable, talented Fally Ipupa.
Fally Ipupa pesinga vertige makasi.
If you go back to like 50 years ago,
Yes.
Congolese people, you know, when the African country take independence.
Fally Ipupa pesinga vertige makasi.
Mais moi, mes chansons, c'est un peu différent parce que la chanson comme Eloko, ça commence déjà.
Fally Ipupa pesinga vertige makasi.
Alda.
Du nouveau à Kinshasa, pour vos séjours et réservations, une seule adresse. Flat Hotel HP, situé dans la périphérie de la capitale congolaise, sur l'avenue Makanza numéro 10, dans le quartier Kimbangu, commune de Kalamo. Un espace de plaisance pour vos détentes et rendez-vous d'affaires ou amicales. Venez passer des moments agréables et inoubliables dans nos appartements de luxe équipés d'une connexion Wi-Fi 24 heures sur 24. Pour l'électricité, il n'y a pas de souci. Flat Hotel HP met à la disposition de son aimable clientèle un groupe électrogène industriel pour la desserte en énergie. Et encore, un restaurant de qualité pour savourer la cuisine congolaise et étrangère. Son bar muni de toutes sortes de boissons rafraîchissantes et vos cocktails préférés. HP Hotel, doté d'un charroi automobile pour vos courses journalières à des prix hors concurrence, vous récupère à partir de l'aéroport et à l'endroit de votre choix. Pour tout contact, appelez au plus 33 605 384 625 plus 243 82 601 0438. Pour mieux vous servir, HPE, doté d'un personnel qualifié, prêt à vous servir. Chez nous, les clients et rois. Flat Hotel HP, vivifie la vie.
Voilà, merci beaucoup bana Congo, bandeko tout bozolanda biso partout à travers le monde. En tout cas, naza censé obligé yakoya lelo kopesa félicitations na artiste international, artiste ya mboka na biso Fally Ipupa na makambo toujours ya minene azali kosala. Nalobangai nakosela Fally makambo te. Nalobaka makambo Fally azosala. En tout cas, Fally Ipupa pesinga vertige makasi, apesinga vertige kotala bandeko na biso ya États-Unis d'Amérique batindelinga vidéo moko ya Fally auto sala interview na kati ya États-Unis na journaliste américaine basololi du début à la fin na anglais. En tout cas na kosenga bandeko na biso nyoso tu bozolanda biso vraiment bozala scotché parce que na hotel la bino interview na du début à la fin. Tokopesa moi conseil muke kaka ndenge ezalaka toyochola na biso ba artiste et musicien na biso ya mboka na biso te. En tout cas na kosenga bandeko na biso ba artiste et musicien, au lieu de polémique bo se concentrer, au lieu de polémique bo luka boye banano valeur ya art o boza nango na nzoto art na bino po ekende liboso ezosenga pe ba recherche mususu andeo ya koyemba ezosenga ba recherche ya ndenge na ndenge. Tomona ba vie na biso ba Koffi Olomide le grand mopao basalaka ba recherche ya ko maîtriser ba langue anglais, ba langue française po ba koka ko se défendre partout, ba kotambola à travers le monde. Tomoni ndeko na biso Fally Ipupa di Cap la merveille azolanda pena lokolo ya batu o balakisa ye miziki parce que lelo kotala fali pupa o toyebeli mwana bandal abandi miziki na ye ayebaki anglais te bino bozomona fali aza concentré fali azokota mwa baku fali azosala ba recherche ebele na cadre ya ba recherche fali azokota na monde sportif bino moko bozomona aleka na chaîne moko internationale ya minene oyo star moko te africain aleka balobela makambo ya sport oyo azoyekola na mindele tomona basala sport système oyo tozotala ya ba Jackie Chan ya ba ya ba kung fu wana en tout cas fali pour pas félicitations na ba recherche oyo tozosala ezaka lokumu ya Congo lelo pe tokoma kolanda chaque épisode ya ba film fali oti kosala na TV5 eza toujours lokumu ya Afrique mobimba lokumu pe ya mboka na biso RDC na makambo o nyoso fali azali kosala tolobaka toyaka wana te pona koloba makambo fali asali te en tout cas ngaken piano eloko esala nga plaisir na sepelara soki fali azwi ba trophée moko boye nazwi na ngai pe place ya kodembela fali pupa asali interview ya munene na anglais azo se débrouiller pena très bien lobi bokamwa te soki fali pupa bayambie na chaîne ya ba chinois ali fali azo memela biso toka mwate un jour soki bayambie na chaîne ya ba chinois tokendana fali pupa na Angola fali pupa bayambaye du début à la fin na ki portugais asala émission na chaîne nationale ya Angola fali bayambaye bazosola na ye na ki portugais lelo siko nazolakisa bino balobi télévision za image télévision za ba preuve nazotiela bino exclusivité ya interview fali asali ya anglais ekosala biso bien ba artiste musicien bolanda exemple ya fali bozala na vision ya qui cherche ekosala biso bien ole ya ko se distraire toujours na ba polémique inutile ba polémique ya kotinda peut-être batu bafingaka ba mama ya batu wana eza gentité wana eza vraiment gentité tosenga ba artiste musicien bozwa te ya concentration ken pia na ye awa pona kofinga vraiment mutu te na ye pena pona kofinga mutu te makambo kaka fali lobi batindelinga interview oyo anga nzambe salinga ba chair de poule moko kotala artiste musicien na biso ya Congo ndenge honorable Zakari Baba Baswe oyo fali abwaka honorable Zakari Baba Baswe mbanga neti na filme qui donne à comprendre que honorable Zakari Baba Baswe baza parmi ba conseiller o ba fan sera fali babite fali salaboy le artiste na biso bozomona apesa lelo exemple ba chaîne ba TV Fanda ba chaîne ba radio tout le monde a déjà ba studio d'enregistrement ba siège ba répétition libongo ba hors bord en tout cas fali pour pas félicitations na yo na kopesa avant na tika interview oyo na pesi merci na bandeko nyonso bo soutenir biso en tout cas merci na bandeko nyonso bo soutenir pe fali pupa na moni bozalaka na raison ya kozala sima ya artiste na bino pour artiste na bino azolala te azosala ba effort oyo lobby ya koyokisa bino soni te azosala ba effort oyo lobby bokobetela ye maboko monde entier kobetele maboko Kongo mobimbe kobetele maboko na pesi se Pauline Lumumba bambote belé na Genève wana whisky wishia na pesi venanga Louison Mbata na Cape Town bambote Prince Yaweli Mystère Versace Prince Yaweli yaya ya Gloria Yaweli bambote Maître Balex Tipaka ngai nazolela Maître Balex Tipaka mabe tokosola na tokosala na mobange na émission Maître na biso o tozalaka na ye akena ya subara quelque part soda police ozobeta ndeko masasi 3 balles na likolo 3 balles na likolo ponde kwa zo suba toilette publique ezate Maître Balex tokosala émission ndeko na biso aza na hôpital menaoki akomi oyoka moi bien bokotala na kosenga vraiment moi ba service elandela moi dossier oyo vraiment est-ce que boko kanga ndeko te bokangi ye kaka lisolo esili en tout cas tosenga ba autorité vraiment ba tia dossier au point ekosala biso bien en tout cas na pesi merci na Adel Djoko Bagou Danger Patrick Mayangi le grand producteur vient na Gauthier mascotte tolanda émission ya fali balobi lobalo bambanga pasi tolanda émission whisky ya soko kotie la biso et ko ça la biso bien tokutana à la prochaine occasion ndenge na zolongwa awa nakia koluka kolo mbanga kolo tiji kolo lisangu honorable Zakari Baba Baswe o apesa biso lelo musala o apesa lelo jeune courage ki okoza la mwana soda mais bota courage okozwa vie chance eloko pamba mais tia courage liboso tolanda image na pesi ba bon séjour na sous les kauka place aux allées sous les kauka o tolanda ki ba imaginer à partir des États-Unis donc sous les kauka bambote na yo Coco Dilasso opéra faire gagner la merveille na kati ya français balobi mimi tike va mère chef donc na pesi yo bambote en tout cas na pesi bambote na bandeko nyonso tout Edi Badiata directeur Edi Badiata Yanana Boduga tolanda image tukutani à la prochaine occasion.
Hello, everyone. Look, we are here today at 24K TV with none other but the unbelievable, talented Fally Ipupa. Hey, listen up, guys. I am so excited. I can't contain myself. I'm literally in hog heaven. Do y'all know what that means? Here I am. Fally, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Listen to that. And he speaks fluent English, so this is going to be good, y'all. Now, tell me a little bit. I was at Afrima with you. You just tell me a little bit more about that.
Afrima was good. You know, it's good experience for African artists to meet another artist, you know, connect them. So it's supposed to support this kind of comedy ceremony award.
Exactly.
For African music. Yeah.
Absolutely. And I noticed that at Afrima, I left Afrima with your name ringing in my ear. That's all I could hear. Now, tell me a little bit more. You're holding back what happened at Afrima. Do y'all know that this young man got, I say 4 awards. Let him speak for himself. How many awards did you get?
Just 3.
No, you got 4.
No, 3.
You know why I say 4? Because the 4th is a People's Choice Award.
Okay.
People were screaming his name. I could not even go there. But in terms of Afrima, you go to Afrima, you're invited every year.
Every year, yes.
And this is their 5th year, right, Afrima? I believe this is your 5th year. I know that Fally is a yearly invite. You're there every year.
Yeah, because I think, you know, for me, Afrima is like one of what who no make like difference on between Francophone artists and Nigerian artists. You know, because many awards they just put Nigerian or Anglo-Saxon artists like here, Francophone, like here. We are African. So I think Afrima is one of example to follow. Because they make everybody, ils respectent les gens à leur juste valeur. Voilà.
Exactement. So in case you didn't understand what he said, it's Afrima basically brings all Africa together, yes. Right? Yes. I believe you can attest to that.
Yeah.
Now, can you tell me what's a normal day like for you?
My normal day, morning, I wake up like 7 a.m. You said p.m.
A.m. Yeah.
Go a little bit in the gym.
Oh.
And when I'm back, I play a little bit music, guitar, something.
Okay.
And if I'm supposed to go to the studio, I go to the studio. Maybe if I have shooting, I go shooting. But if I don't have anything, I just relaxing like hour and.
You know, I liked what you said about having a schedule and working out.
Yeah.
I think with what you do and with our African musicians, I think that's something that's lacking. I hope we can discuss about that a little bit, health-wise. What can you say about the importance of working out, eating right, and the business that you're in, especially for the African community? For your voice.
Yeah, it's good, first of all, for santé. Comment on dit santé en English?
Health.
Health is important, first of all. And second, if you are you wanna be nice, sexy, and good cardio,
Yes.
and
yes.
good physique, no?
Yeah.
Because music is supposed to we need to have good physique, no?
Yes.
I want to talk about physique, not just physique like good look, no. Cardio,
Yes.
no physique, you know,
Yes.
condition
Yeah,
physique
your health, yeah.
is important, you know. It's supposed to work for this, you know. The competition is here. So if you are like me, I can stay in stage like for 2-3 hours.
That's what I wanted to hear.
Yeah,
You just nailed it.
You're supposed to be strong, to work hard, you know. Eat good because we like African food. It's very spicy, very good, but sometimes it's supposed to know this time I can eat pondu, I can eat tenson, I can you cry, but you just eat salad.
Yeah.
Pundu fish.
Pundu, if I can elaborate on that, it's cassava leaves.
Cassava
Leaves,
legendary
right?
food, best food in the world.
It's quite delicious, but it's packed with a lot of vitamins and quite heavy, right?
It's best food in the world.
Absolutely.
Pondulos and mbolongo.
And what's bolongo?
You know, fish.
Oh,
I don't know what we call in
easy.
English. Fish.
Fish? What kind of fish? Mackerel. So mackerel is actually one of the most common fish that's used in pundu. And pundu, you eat it with what else?
Rice.
With rice.
Me, I eat about rice, but some people eating by fufu.
Oh yeah, y'all heard it with fufu. Yeah. And 24K TV, we're live here with none other than Fally Ipupa. So Fally, we just talked about food, you know, something that's big in our culture and quite amazing because of all the complex carbs that we have. But in terms of that, how do you describe the creative process of what you do in terms of music?
First of all, my first instrument is a guitar. So everything become, first of all, when I take my guitar, I can imagine the melody. I don't know melody in English and the top line, you know. And after this, sometimes I write when I'm in the airplane because I don't like airplane too much. So when I'm boarding, and I take my phone. I write like I send message to somebody and I write the song. Like this my album, my new album, 100% the song I write it in airplane.
Wow.
Yes.
See, y'all, so when you see Mr. Fally Ipupa on his phone, don't think he's texting anybody. He is working, people. So leave him alone. Now, that's quite interesting. That's quite interesting. So I guess I can safely ask you this question. What inspired you to get into music?
Women and nature.
Wow.
Yes.
Women and nature.
Yes.
And at what age did this start?
I became a musician when I was professional, when I was 17.
Wow.
16.
16.
Yes.
Okay.
My first song was 18.
Wow. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And when did you start learning the guitar?
Autodidact.
Wow.
Yes. Did when I was 14. I just follow. Even today I play guitar, but I don't have a coach. I don't need the accord, you know, name of accord. I just follow the sound.
Yeah.
Sound.
The sound,
Yes,
yeah.
I play like this. Like my song, a loco. I just take guitar and I follow the song.
Okay. Which song is a loco? Do one line of that song.
And the guitar play.
I am not paying attention. You can sing all day. No, wow, that's quite amazing. So in terms of that, can we now talk about the fans? How do you maintain your relationship with your fans? Because I know that you're quite a popular guy among the ladies, but also among young and coming artists who are just trying to make it.
I don't have the fan. I just have family. You know?
Oh my God.
Yes, all my fans. I see them like family. You know, because they are there for me. They support my music. They support my videos, my songs, my show. So you know, I have the really best fan. They really no fake fans. You know.
Yeah. No, that's well said. I think your fans can make or break you, and that's quite amazing. Now, in terms of what you do, because you touch everyone. You touch, I believe, not just Africa, the U.S. and I think Asia. You can tell me. Europe. So, in terms of just helping the community, because I know you're quite generous, are there any non-profit organizations that you're tied to? ONG.
Yes, I have a foundation, Fally Foundation. Now, I think next year we're gonna celebrate like 5 years ago. But we made many things. We put water somewhere in Kinshasa. We give ambulance in English is ambulance.
Yeah.
Goma. Hospital General Hospital.
Okay.
At de Goma. Comment on dit?
Of Goma.
Of Goma. We visiting Dr. Mukwege Hospital in Bukavu. We see the women
giving birth.
Violée.
Who have been raped. Yes.
We visit them. And we buy
land
for
them.
Orphanage in Kinshasa.
Wow.
So we do many things. Okay. But we will.
Okay.
It's just small foundation, but we have we have big ambition to help people.
So, no, I think helping people is key because no one makes it by themselves. Yeah. And I think my mom always says you have 5 fingers. You can't pick anything up with 1 finger. You have to use all 5 fingers. And I think it's huge when you talk about your fans being family. Who would you like to collaborate with?
Rihanna.
Hey, Riri, you heard it, girl. He is asking.
There are many artists about fair. With Rihanna gonna be nice for now.
When would you like to do that?
Even today or tomorrow.
Rihanna, you heard that, okay? Today, we're waiting. Anyways, that's quite amazing because I think she's quite talented. I think that would be beautiful.
Yeah.
And in terms of helping women in distraught, what else would you like to do to help with non-profit?
We have we put water in Kinsenso this year, and next year, if God give us energy and more money, we want to build maternity.
Yes, labor.
Free maternity for all baby mother from Bandar Kinshasa. You know?
Yes. So labor and delivery.
Before English, Lingala is the most beautiful language in the world. After Lingala, English and French.
Lingala is the spoken language of a lot of Central Africa, right?
Yeah.
We don't know the story of Lingala. Can you tell us a little bit more about the mixture of Lingala?
I don't know. Just know Lingala is our language.
Yeah.
We speak our language in Congo, Kinshasa, Congo, Brazzaville, little bit in Angola, little bit in Gabon, little bit in Cameroon, similar language.
See, I didn't know that. I didn't know that it was spoken in Angola. We're learning something. What tribe are you from?
I'm from, because the cat. Every politician when you become a cat. But we're from, originally from Bangal, Anamongo. You know, tribe Anamongo. Mix Mamongo, Ikunda, Sabasakata, just Anamongo.
Anamongo.
Yeah.
And so you're from the Anamongo tribe.
Est-ce qu'Anamongo peut dire truc? No.
No?
Yeah, for sample, for everybody. It's like how I can explain. We used to be from Equator, and now we just from Maindombe. But all these people, people, you just come from Anamongo side, tribe.
Wow. Well, tribalism has existed for a long
Tribe
time.
is like everybody from like California or like Atlanta,
Yeah,
you know.
Atlanta or Northwest or Texas, you know.
Yeah.
So tribalism in Africa has been something that's been existing. And how would you say that influences your music? Because we know music from Senegal completely different, Mali different, South Africa different.
Yeah, because in Congo we have many music culture.
Yes.
So we have a rich music. And in my tribe we have more rich music that you can, if you know my tribe music, you can find a little bit influence, because like a loco is like my tribe music.
Very traditional.
Yeah, traditional music.
Yeah.
So mix this music and a little bit modern music, urban music.
Wow.
Urban international music.
Urban international.
That's why my music called my music Tokos music.
What does Tokos mean?
Tokos it means like positive, like sexy, good, nice, très bien, greatest.
Tokos. I learned something, y'all.
Yeah.
Tokos.
Yeah.
So in that terms, performance, what's your favorite venue to perform at?
I don't have the favorite venue. Just if you have good material, excuse me, and good people. Every venue for me is important. Event I perform in Paris, in Congo, in America, in Chad, Ivory Coast, Cameroon. For me, the same thing. You know, I have more energy. I respect. Il y a tout un event à perform devant, on dit devant.
In front of.
In front of 100 people, 10 people, 5 people. For me is just stage. I love stage.
You love the stage. So you're a natural born performer.
Yes. Music is my first love.
Oh, that's phenomenal to hear. Because in that case, how do you encourage someone who sees someone like Fally Ipupa on stage and wants to be a Fally Ipupa? How do you encourage them?
If I want to say something, I'll just say you're supposed to work hard, love music, and avoir la détermination, you know, determination. And be
drive.
Fidel, loyal to music, because music is jealous. You can mix music another thing, never work. Like you are a musician and you go to the school, you're gonna be an engineer. Or you do music and you're gonna be a footballer player. No. Because music, love, and you're supposed to be focused on music. You know?
So it is a craft that has to be worked.
Yeah, I work hard. Like me, I'm sleeping after everybody and wake up before everybody. So when God give benediction, I take when you're sleeping.
Wow. Actually, I don't know if I sleep.
One day they are sleeping.
When they are sleeping.
No, it's supposed to working hard, you know. Music is like...
Y'all heard it first from the main guy. Work and stay focused. You have to be loyal to your craft, kids. You gotta
because you can't say like I'm gonna do music like 2 hours and I go do 3 hours another things and like I do another thing for 4 hours. No.
It doesn't work. It doesn't.
H24, comme on dit. Focus.
Have laser
They're gonna pay
focus.
you. Music gonna pay you. Yeah.
That's beautiful. So on that note, you know you're not gonna get away without dancing. You have to show me a step.
I was a teacher before, so you can
Oh my
stand
God,
up,
okay.
And I just look at you, I told you, just do that.
Okay, but you know, before we do that, I have a question about Congolese music. It seems like as kids, we would fast forward the songs to get to the fast part because we didn't understand the beginning. But as an adult, I understand that the beginning is one of the most important part of your songs. Am I making sense? Donc dans les chansons congolaises, vous commencez tout lentement et nous, quand on était petits, on avançait ça.
Et vous aimiez toujours la fin.
Oui.
Ok. Ouais, je comprends. Mais moi, mes chansons, c'est un peu différent parce que la chanson comme Eloko, ça commence déjà. Original, pareil.
Okay.
Donc voilà. Mais c'est pas. Même les chansons américaines commencent toujours comme ça. Il y a toujours un. Tu vois, ça monte toujours en crescendo. Et puis voilà, c'est ça la beauté de la musique.
Mais je me demandais si c'était. I don't know how we switched to French all of a sudden. See what you did to me? You're speaking English. so I'm wondering if that's only traditional to Congolese soukous. Because the old soukous, not the modern, what you do, starts off slow with rumba. If we can talk a little bit about
rumba. Yeah.
And then.
Because rumba is romantic music. It's music will help you to find the girl, to find the man. Don't like you dance with the man. You say,
yeah.
You will say, can you give me your number? 60.
Oh, okay.
Because the song is too long, like 8 minutes. So you have your time to take phone number, and take address, and conclude à la fin. Okay, I'm gonna call you tomorrow.
Oh my God, I never knew this. So that's what this is about. Yes. All right. Well, so in terms of rumba, but then I know that that's very much injected in all Congolese music, if I can safely say so.
Yeah. Because Congolese, I think Congolese music is like a matrix of African music. You know, because if you go back to like 50 years ago,
yes.
Congolese people, you know, when the African country take independence,
got their independence.
Got independence. The only song everybody sings is from Congo. Independence, cha-cha, those we.
Yeah.
Independence, that time nobody knows I respect all musicians from Africa, but that time just in all Africa, all musicians was come from Congo.
No, that's true.
So
that's true.
Today we're happy. Everybody have a music culture in Nigeria, Ivory Coast, South Africa. Chad, do you have musicians?
We sample from the Congolese, but we have.
We have Chad, we have MC Solar.
Exactly, MC Solar, the rap artist. But also there are the ladies that also sing. There's some other ladies, I can't think of their names, they're going to kill me. But they sing more Arabic, traditional North African music.
Okay.
Elles chantent en arabe.
En arabe.
Okay. Munira High, that also sing, you know.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
That's why I say in Africa we have 44 country and 44 culture. So that's why we are rich.
We are wealthy. You said it.
Yes.
You said it best. We're super wealthy.
Yeah.
On that note, you said you were going to show me how to do a dance. I asked and you said yes.
Okay.
So what are we going to dance
gentleman.
to? Yeah. You are a gentleman. What are we going to dance to? Which song?
It's gonna be easy for you to dance Eloko because I don't wanna break your legs.
Okay, all right. Okay, well, so we will be right back, 24K, and I'm getting my special lesson dancing to Eloko. Okay, so 24 Karat TV, we'll be right back with Fally Ipupa.
Alobi prostate eza maladie eza na makambo ebele mais na 2 minutes na kolobaka ba point essentiel. Tolobi prostate ezali maladie oyo ezwaka ba papa. Balobaka ete prostate utaka beaucoup plus pona ba papa oyo basalaka rapport sexuel mingi. Mais eza bongo te. Prostate eza maladie oyo eza kozwa bato de 40 na komata oyo bakoma na difficulté ya kosuba. C'est-à-dire papa soki amoni déjà oza kosuba masuba eza kobima na vitesse te, oza kosuba masuba eza kobima na denzela, oza kosuba posa ya kosuba eza lisusu te, eza osila te mais masuba pe ezobima te, yeba ke no papa ozo développer déjà prostate wana ememaka pe faiblesse sexuelle. Donc pona nini ekomi na inflammation na niveau ya prostatite, donc ekomi na maladie prostatite na niveau ya prostate wana oyeba ke no oza déjà na kati ya prostate wana traitement nango ezalaka ka opération mais na cabinet docteur Hakim tozana traitement sans opération ya prostate quel que soit ozako suba masuba ezako kende su na vitesse te ata 1 mètre koma kalisusu te ozako suba posa ko suba ezosila te yeba yaka na lombango na cabinet docteur Hakim Jebi José ou bien obengi biso na plus 243 84 06 55 760 ou bien au s'abonner directement na YouTube ya docteur Hakim officiel wana okozwa traitement ya prostate. Donc tolobi prostate wana ememaka faiblesse sexuelle, prostate wana ebomaka, prostate wana ezali maladie moko mabe oyo eza kobika na produit naturel na cabinet docteur Hakim Shebi José.
Adore.